Welcome to the Model Maker tutorial. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the robust features and functionalities that Model Maker offers to enhance your data modeling experience. Let's begin with the MDX module, where you can write, save, and run MDX queries, observing results in various formats. Moving on, you'll see the Cubes section under the Queue and Rules menu. Here, you can manage your existing cubes, add new ones, and directly manipulate cube rules, ensuring their syntax is correct before saving. This seamless integration allows for efficient updates and management directly on the server. Next, we'll cover the Processes menu. This area provides a full list of existing processes on the TM1 server, where you can add new processes or modify existing ones, adjusting parameters, data sources, and variables. Debugging is made easy with the capability to create breakpoints. In the Dimensions section, explore your existing dimensions, including control objects. You can adjust visibility settings and add new dimensions, diving into hierarchies and subsets for detailed configurations. Our caching technology plays a crucial role in performance. When you connect to a model, Model Maker fetches and caches all data from the TM1 server, which speeds up subsequent data retrieval and manipulation, especially useful for large dimensions. In the Views section, select a cube to access or create views. Utilize Cedar's custom-built pivot feature with colorful cards to arrange dimensions across rows, columns, or filters effectively. Lastly, the Admin module allows you to monitor and manage server sessions and logs with enhanced formatting and color coding for better clarity. Manage security settings, run REST API queries, and access the transaction log, all optimized with our caching technology to ensure speed and reliability. Through this tutorial, you'll become proficient in utilizing Model Maker's full capabilities to streamline your data modeling processes. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of your data with Model Maker.